Welcome to slime.
We're making our own slime. It's very simple. You just have glue, activator,
Hey,
water.
Todoroki been different.
Ew!
No.
Todoroki, do not dip into. Okay. So we're all gonna make our own. We have food dye, so we can give that our individual flair to it. So yeah. So the first step
It's a trap.
is everyone has a bowl, and we have to take 1/4. Everyone gets 1/4 of the glue. So like about here.
All right.
So is this all the way full? No. So I need to get it
Just in the bowl?
Here. Yeah, in the bowl. 1/4.
Oh.
That was a weird sound effect. I'm sorry.
How much was that?
I just realized how wrong that sounded, and I'm sorry.
Told you to bend over.
I think a little more. Okay,
We should
here.
have some left over. This will be all right. It looks like
Here you
milk.
go. 1/4.
Thank you. So how do we?
You can go about to halfway.
I just put some in there.
I mean, that should be good.
That should be good.
Yeah, that should be good.
Okay.
If not, we can add more.
Yeah, you can like add stuff as you go on.
more.
You can probably add a little more.
Yeah.
This is all guesstimate.
Yeah, that looks good. That's plenty. We can probably add some more even.
1/4 cup of water for everyone. So what were those measuring cups?
Everything's going.
Oh wait, we have this. This is literally 1/4 cup. This is exactly what we need. Everyone needs water.
What the?
What the
Haha.
sheep are swearing this?
But with water sheep one.
You can begin to mix.
Water sheep.
Water sheep.
Who's next?
Please wash before I bed.
What do you work
Pick
for?
it up. Who's next?
I was just gonna go with my hands and right there.
Here you go. You can have the water.
Oh no, I spilled water on my hand.
Next.
Oh no, I turned Russian.
You're good.
Oh no, more water.
Will you bring mine too?
Yes.
Thank you. You're the best, Ela.
You're the best.
Okay. And can't sing the rest of the song.
I knew it all along. It was a trap. Water sheep. Water sheep.
Okay. And now slowly mix it a little bit.
It looks really weird.
I feel like I need more glue in mine.
Is it supposed to be really watery or no?
You probably want to add a little more glue if it's like super watery.
Oh, it's water.
Yeah.
I mean, it's supposed to be a little bit, I think.
It's fine.
What color is everyone making?
I'm doing bright yellow.
Orange.
Purple, hopefully. A greenish thing.
Puke.
Love that. Need the 1/4 cup again. Everyone show the camera what you got right now with a little bit of a tilt. One at a time.
Here's yellow, trying not to spill.
Okay.
Orange. I don't know if you can see it.
I like Edith's. Edith's is so beautiful.
Oh,
Thank
it looks
you.
like a galaxy pastel purple.
It is indeed, yes.
What happened there?
Here's mine.
Woo, very nice
Hot
shade of
on
green.
Yours is disgusting.
Oh,
I hate it.
It looks like toxic green.
Why? Like only you could be like, I'm gonna make this color. Like, why do you know how to perfectly make it? Like, why are you a master at making that color?
It is quite impressive.
I'm quite pleased with my yellow.
Okay, so everyone needs 1/4 of this too. This is what's really gonna make the slime happen.
Oh.
That's not funny.
Everyone needs
Why
one.
are you so smooth looking?
Everyone needs one of these.
Sure.
Everyone needs one of these scoops.
Okay.
And
It
put it in
looks
there.
like rice.
It looks like egg yolks.
Hell yeah.
I can't eat eggs.
Y'all getting slime happening.
Get slime. Get wrecked. Get a slimy wreck.
I'm not gonna say that again. That's what she said. It's not what I said she did. You got it.
You got it. You good?
Yes.
That's extra.
No, it was not quite extra.
Oh my! Ah, look at how smooth that is.
Wow, that worked immediately.
Yeah.
Can you get some? Okay, I'm still.
It's
trying to
happening now, Lita.
It is.
My spoon.
Oh, sorry.
This is what really activates the slime.
It's like hard to get. Yeah, now I see.
Because mine is now slime.
I do need a little bit more. Because it won't even cover.
Do I need to do this?
At one point, you need to like. I tried to like get it all together, and now I'm going to take mine out. Fill it with my hands.
Oh yeah, it's happening. Oh, ooh, ooh.
Wow.
This is weird.
Look! Look! Look!
Oh, look at that. Wow. It's so pretty.
Thank you. I don't like how it feels though.
I don't either.
Whee!
Look at that.
Yeah, I know. It's
Oh
so
no, mine
weird.
doesn't do it
Oh,
well.
it's hard.
Oh no! Oh no! It doesn't go like that. I feel like mine needs more water.
Yeah.
Is there another glove?
What if I just do
Oh my
this?
goodness, I
Yeah.
just...
Oh, the pause of
Sorry.
it just. Got it.
I just
Drag it.
I just added more water to mine.
I might need to as well. Ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna add just a tiny bit. Whoa, okay. That was a little more than one.
Oh, wow.
Let me see if I can.
What?
After everyone's done and plays with theirs a while, we'll do some trade-offs and see which one we like the best.
Oh, gee, it was almost dropped the egg.
It was a little bit. I guess a little bit of a competition, yeah.
A friendly one.
I like my slime. I like my color.
Yeah, very nice.
Okay, I might have put too much water in mine.
Oh, we should do interviews with our slime. Everyone, you have to name your slime.
Good Tama.
TM. Sherbert.
We'll go up there to the camera and show them Sherbert, Ida,
Okay.
and tell them about Sherbert.
Okay.
Go up there.
No, how
Really show them Sherbert. It's like a talent show for your slime.
This is Sherbert. He lives in the galaxy and is friends with tons of aliens.
Ooh, very nice, very nice, very nice. I'll go next. Mine's name is Blobby. He's a blob.
Yeah.
He's a very sensitive little blob. His favorite song is "Rockin' Around the Christmas Tree."
I like it.
I guess we'll go next.
He seems like the kind of person who'd listen to it even when it isn't Christmas.
He does on repeat.
This is Eggalicious.
Yours looks like Jabba the Hutt. You should make it into Jabba the Hutt. Sorry. Kirishima, go ahead. Sorry.
You interrupted Eggalicious.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Tell us about Egglicious.
Eggalicious is a knockoff brand of Gudetama. Yeah, he is also lazy and really slimy. Yeah.
Woo-hoo!
And I love him so much. He's my
Oh, this
son.
is fun.
Probably some more water.
Yeah.
Yeah, we all had to add a little bit more water to it.
I
I
think
think,
I added
it's because
too
we
much.
all added glue because we were like, oh, there's not enough glue. And
We
were
didn't
all
trust
very
it.
wrong. We didn't trust it. Yeah, we
I
didn't.
didn't trust it. See, trust.
This is ectoplasm. It's what happens when the Ghostbusters kill a ghost. Wow. You're cleaning that up.
Anything else about ectoplasm?
No, just what happens when you kill a ghost.
He looks like the inside of aliens when like the aliens are killed in the alien movies.
Oh.
Looks like their blood. Alright! So now for your slime competition. You
How did name that?
wait, no, Todoroki still has to name his.
Yeah, but
And you have to go tell them about it. And then we're gonna have a contest.
It's a piece of slime.
Yeah.
You have to name
It's
it
your
something.
son.
My son?
Or daughter.
Did you just gender that slime?
No, I did not.
He's gotta finish his. Well, Blobby is a female.
I said son or daughter. I just forgot the word for daughter.
So, this is a piece of slime, but,
Speak up, I can't hear you.
it's a piece of slime that, I've decided since he's the nice color kind of the Nickelodeon, his name will be Nick.
Oh, nice.
Ah.
And like his namesake, he just likes watching cartoons.
Okay, that's good. Good. Cool. So now,
Like anyone I know.
now, before the contest begins, tell us, who is your favorite slime? Do you like, what was yours name?
Ectoplasm.
Ectoplasm.
Eggalicious.
Nick.
Sherbert.
Or Bloody. Tell us who is your favorite and which one do you think will win? Okay, so first contest is going to be stretch. Which one can stretch the most? So we're gonna start off on my end, I guess, and we'll just go this way. So stretch. As soon as it breaks, though, like you're over. Although you don't even want it to break.
Wait, how do we know who wins though?
Because
Eyeballing it. Wow.
no, Blobby! Blobby, no. Mine did not stretch far. So Edith, your turn. Edith is already farther than mine.
We'll do those turns.
Is that what you're gonna
Yeah.
say? Edith is going really good.
Oh.
I don't know why I yelled.
Oh.
Yours is for okay. Edith's in the lead. Edith's in the lead for stretch. All right. Can Nick pull it off?
Encouragement.
Come on, Nick.
Come on.
Come on, Nick.
Or am I gonna mess it up by adding one?
Pretty good.
A little further in your feet. And Todoroki's Nick is in the lead.
Nick, my boy, you got this.
I'll be the father that my father wasn't to
Yeah.
you.
This is just so impressive. Okay. He's still going, but you can go.
Hold on. Eggy is.
That's actually really impressive.
Wow.
It's gonna be hard to beat. It's gonna be hard to beat.
Oh, I think Eggalicious.
Got a
could
good
be-
method.
Very good. Oh, Eggalicious doing pretty good.
Hold on.
Oh wow.
Oh, which one's longer? I don't know. Okay, y'all gotta compare.
It's falling.
Uh-oh. I can. Oh no, I feel it.
Okay, I think we're gonna have to give that to Todoroki, but you two are gonna get points too. You each are gonna get 1 point. Todoroki gets 2 points, and we get 0.
Come on.
You're right. Bounce. Bounce.
Right.
I'll go first. You gotta bounce it on the table. See if it bounces at all.
Ooh.
That was pretty good. That was pretty good.
At least a couple of inches.
That was pretty good.
A backflip in there.
I don't know which one was the best. You?
All about the same.
I think they look the same.
Yeah. So no, everyone gets 1 point.
Yeah, we have the same
Woo!
sort of.
Now
Okay.
splat.
Okay.
Splat. So you want to just drop it? Should
Oh.
drop it.
So are we talking about radius of the splat?
See if it goes out. Yeah, like at all.
Diameter, I guess, not radius. Radius and diameter of the
So you
splat.
probably want yours to be a little flat this time. Mine did nothing. Oh, maybe splat should just be like this, like slamming it down with your hand in it.
We just got to throw it down really hard.
No, you can just knead it.
No,
Oh, that didn't
see
work.
it. Okay, so splat is gonna be slam it down with your hand. Mine does not spot well. It's okay, Blobby. I still love you. Yeah. That was better than mine. Yeah, for sure.
Come on. Okay.
That was a nice, powerful splat.
I'm getting mine prepped and fried.
Nick's impressive. He's like all around impressive. That was good too.
It's probably because he's got 3 squirt running through his veins.
I think the best one was actually Ida's this time.
Oh,
for
yeah.
splat.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And then everyone else except me was about the same. So y'all get 1 point, Ida gets 2. So Ida has 3 points. I have 1 point. Todoroki has 3. No, you have 4. Because you had 2 points, and then Every got 1 point, and then me. So you have 4, you have 3, and you have 3. Todoroki's in the lead, and you all are
Boy,
tied,
Nick.
and I have 1 point. So the next, what should the next one? Thickest boy? so
Sorry,
to fire
I was
slime.
making.
You wanna try to do which one can do like the fart noises? Like, cause if
Oh,
you-
okay, yeah, okay. How do you do that anyway?
You have to make like a little pocket for it, and then you should be, I think. It normally doesn't.
Yeah, like this, ready? You gotta be kind of quiet to hear it, but so you make a pocket, and then that one didn't do it. It just did a second ago.
I heard something.
Can you like form like shapes or anything? Like how does it form well? Can you like make different shapes with it without it breaking kind of thing?
I can make a noodle. You can make a frog.
That looks wrong.
It's a tadpole. Wait, let's just do one final contest that's called talent. And you gotta figure out what your slime's talent is. Like, it could be like that, because that's really cool. What it can do that's talented. And you can get points for that, okay? The final contest.
Well, that's my talent.
Okay, well, we can't award you points yet.
They're
Satan,
powers.
is that you?
No, because that light's still on.
Satan?
See?
What the?
Figure out their slime's talent.
I know two for mine.
Okay.
Looking like an egg yolk
Uh-huh.
and making into noodles.
That's cool.
It's real good at noodles.
Oh, wow, it does. It has a very even layout.
It does. It likes the noodle.
All right. All right, anyone else got one yet?
You've already seen mine.
Yeah, yours is cool. That's like really a slime quality. That's really cool too, though. That reminds me of Play-Doh, though.
Oh no, it's
Mine
not
have
the edge.
a fingerprint and a handprint.
We're gonna give you another point
Wow.
for being the longest slime.
It can go longer.
So you're tied with Todoroki right now. No
Sweet.
points for the talent yet, though, because we haven't. What is yours talent?
Handprints and fingerprints.
Oh, let me see.
Maybe not fingerprints.
Let's-
There we go.
Oh, it's a pretty nice handprint. Yeah.
Yeah, and it just kind of stretches out.
Bobby's talent is he can coil himself real good.
Oh.
I mean, she can.
Bobby's
Bobby's
bubble sometimes.
Bobby's gender neutral. All right. So yeah, that was my talent. We're waiting on Nick's talent, I think.
Well, Nick's talent is that despite what his parents think, he's gonna pursue being #1 hero and live his best life.
It's not a talent.
Yes, it is.
Are you saying that you don't believe in it?
We must believe.
That's not a talent, though.
This is his talent, right? That's cool.
Yeah.
I was gonna make him into a bowl, but I don't know if he can make a bowl.
Look at it.
All right. So now we are going to vote. You have seen our slimes in action. I say screw the point system from now on. We're all going to vote on our favorite slime. You cannot vote on your own. However, should we do secretive votes? Or should we just vote?
You're just jealous that my slime has the best talent.
No, talent, everything you've seen has to factor in. So we're going to go one by one. You can only vote once. Who thinks that my slime, Blobby, you can't vote for yourself, so I can't vote for Blobby. Oh my gosh, look, Blobby has a bubble! Blobby has a bubble!
He's breathing.
Add that to your consideration. Blobby is alive! Okay, no, but
I got one milk.
who thinks that Blobby is the best slime? Raise your hand now.
Oh.
Ida, thank you, Ida. All right. Who thinks that? What was your slime's name again?
Sherbert.
Sherbert is the best slime. Okay, one vote.
Oh yeah, that's
one
me.
vote.
I'm also voting.
Oh, Kirishima voted
Oh,
too.
really?
So 2 votes for Sherbert.
Wait, can I vote twice?
No, you can only vote once.
Never mind.
Okay, never mind.
Thank
One vote
you.
for Sherbert, so we're tied. Who thinks that Nick is the best slime? 1 vote.
Yeah.
Kachon. Who thinks that Kirishima's Eggalicious is the best slime?
I would vote.
Damn.
No votes.
He had 2 talents.
I'm sorry.
Eggalicious, depth of
Who
delicious.
thinks that Kachon's ectoplasm?
Ectoplasm.
Ectoplasm is the best slime.
It does look like.
I
slime.
think his is the best slime because that is slime. Who else
Yeah.
voted for Kachon? Kirishima.
I did.
So Kachon's ectoplasm wins.
Yes.
Woo! Congratulations.
It is the most slimy slime.
This was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh my gosh, he just made a puzzle. That's beautiful.
Aw.
Before I change my vote and Ida wins and Kachan tries to kill me, we're gonna end this video. Okay. Everyone hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, and hit that like button. Bye!